Welcome to Volkswagen. Thank you so much for stopping by. We have the hottest car of the entire auto show behind me, the ID Buzz. I guarantee it will be full of people the entire show. This is the US version and it's in San Diego for the first time ever. Unlike our European counterpart, this US version is 10 inches longer and it has a third row for EJ and all of his friends. It can be either 6 or 7 passenger capacity. Our battery is also bigger. The ID Buzz for the US is a 91 kilowatt hour battery. Come take a look inside. Fun color to match the exterior. The US will get 3 different color options with 8 different exterior options. You can take a look that this is a 7-passenger version. Lots of little Easter eggs pan in right there. Just a fun little touch. Inside, the third row is removable as well as the center console between the driver and the front passenger. Removable, so you can put your surfboards in there. So that was just a little peek. You'll have to come to the auto show to see it for yourself.